tired of this, Grandpa. It's too damn bad.
And I can't seem to get enough leverage. Oh, what? It's already loose?
Oh. Ow. Tell me you were recording, Halen.
Is it torqued to spec?
Fuck no, it ain't.
Oh yeah.
When we do an oil change?
Okay.
Just like
I didn't. I just.
This timing belt looks pretty good.
These look real fresh.
Oh,
Yeah.
this is fucking broke.
It's just not something that I want to touch because you don't fix shit and it's not broke, especially when it comes to these cars.
It's a 1,000,000-mile engine right here.
No, it's not.
More work than it fucking needed to be, dude. 24-hour timer. What we just did, I'm not counting because that was just making sure that the engine wasn't blown up. And now we have to officially get started. Wah! Be continuing to clean out the underside of this engine. He's already gotten the new gasket ready and he's just taking care of the rest of the maintenance. In the meantime, I'm gonna go inside to eat, and after that, I'm gonna be taking care of the timing belt. So I'll see you then.
All right. Damn gasket. Scrubbing.
Yes, sir. I'm tired of this, Grandpa. It's too damn bad.
And the gasket on, and now he's gonna be tightening all
And
those
I
things
cleaned
down.
both surfaces. The
And
oil pan is thoroughly cleaned out. So is the surface of the block underneath.
Perfect. And so that's the most we can do concerning the shavings that we found. Next is I'm going to be working on the timing belt job. I have a new timing belt right there that we got off the former engine, and you're going to see me get started on that. See, it's removed on this thing over here as well, and I'm now realizing, oh, actually, no, I did that. Did I? I probably didn't, but oh well. Let's see if an extension works out. I'm trying to get this bolt right there, and I can't seem to get enough leverage. Oh, what? It's already loose? These motherfuckers, bro.
And did this pass inspection?
Yes, it did.
Wow.
Along with the screw off camera, and we seem to be also missing one. And with that, that actually is not half bad of a thing due to the fact that I have the bracket from the old one, and I'm pretty sure the screws are the same. So we can maximize compatibility. This is all of these screws, and so that allows me to remove the timing cover, and so I can show you guys the belt.
It smells like ass in here. Got all the blunt wrap. Fucking seats pulled. Bag of shitter. This car's gonna be a beauty though.
Not the best. The thing that I'm most happy about is that I actually have spares from my old engine, and so if I transfer all of those things onto this one, get a complete engine. That's what we want. You got her on?
Oh yeah.
Fuck yeah. Nice.
Is it torqued to spec?
Fuck no, it ain't.
Oh yeah.
Way too big.
What size is it?
14? I think
Well, where is the 14?
it should be in there. Or it was actually around this area. It was left out, or I might be on something that I'm using. That's a 10.
Where's the thing that turns it from big to small? Oh.
Ow.
Tell me you were recording, Halen.
Did he just hit his fucking head?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
See, why does it record when it happens to me and not happens to you? Oh.
Well, at least they didn't see it.
They heard it, that's for sure.
Oh yeah.
Just make sure to cut that part out.
Yeah. It's in there, homie. We don't want to completely destroy it. You know you have to take that out when we do an oil change?
Okay.
Just like, oh.
I didn't. I just.
NASCAR. All right.
Which one? It's a 32. It's the biggest one in the bag. Yeah. Yeah. Did you get it? How was it turning?
This isn't straight on. We need to take this off first. Can you get some clips? Halen, can you get some pliers?
Back on correctly. These are pretty confusing. All right, let's see if the timing belt timing cover comes right off. Cool. Timing cover. Numero dos.
Look at that. Look at the dog. It's all right.
It's all right.
It's Milwaukee.
Dog's been in the video before, actually. Low key, this timing belt looks pretty good.
These look real fresh.
Oh,
Yeah.
this is fucking broken.
Well, we have a new one, and it comes off, and we have another
How
valve
does this
cover.
come off?
We have another valve cover, anyways. But you're
Channel locks?
like super stupid.
Dude, I was pushing.
I'll get you
I
some
was
channel
so
locks.
stuck on. I was-
Oh, you already got that on?
Yeah.
Oh,
And
okay.
luckily, we have a new one of these, anyways.
I thought you needed a.
No,
Okay.
no, we have a new one. So that honestly
Sweet.
does not matter.
Huh.
Thank God. Yeah,
Fresh.
brand new one on this one over here, so it perfect. Where'd you put the broken piece?
Where are the O-rings supposed to be?
On the O.
Dude, this thing right here is zero. That's what I'm saying. This thing that I'm lifting up right now is zero.
Leave it there.
But that's what I'm saying.
Do we have the new O-rings?
Yeah, it's all in the kit.
And then what else do I have to take off?
Julian, what's the timer at?
You can go check. Just click on my should be good.
Nope.
How to get it off? Got it.
It's not gonna come off.
It is.
Oh, it's not.
Because of that?
You
Well,
didn't take it off. It needs to come off first.
no, I took it off without it. Hold. Hold.
Oh my.
Body. I think we have to just take the belt housing off. Anyways. Feels like a new gasket. Doesn't matter. We should replace it.
Sorry.
Okay, then we shouldn't. Well, it's stuck now. So we should just take the bell housing off. Well, we need to do that anyways for the gasket. We should probably leave the valve cover gasket for when it's in the engine. Taking that off is a lot harder, and
I mean, it needs to come off anyway before we put it in.
can you keep everything organized? No, like, can't like commit to it.
Yeah.
Okay.
What are all these random bolts for?
Those, what bolts? Those were in there when you had them. And so, pretty much, we decided that this timing belt is pretty much the same condition as this one over there, and that is very good condition at that. And with that, so it's just not something that I want to touch, because you don't fix shit when it's not broke, especially when it comes to these cars, because it's more likely than not that you're going to be the one to break it. So, I'm telling you, Alex, it's a lot easier to do it when it's in the engine, when it's in the bay. And yeah, it is. I don't know, homie.
We're gonna do it before it's in.
But I literally did it when it was in the engine.
But we're gonna do it before.
Well, I think it's pretty important that we get the engine.
You're right. But I want to do this stuff before I get the engine. With a bigger wrench.
Alex, can we drop it?
Yeah.
So, stop working.
Go ahead, bro. Advantage of the time that you weren't dropping the engine.
I'll wait for you to move so we can.
Like how I'm gonna.
Real men of genius.
Real man of genius.
Yeah. Okay, let her down if you want to. Or keep her straight. Keep her straight.
Yeah. Cool. Awesome. We'll grab us some chairs.
Stop. Can't touch
Sure.
What is still on my bread?
What you doing?
Tung 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 tung.
Trying to think of anything random.
So, or before on all these, do you take out this thing?
This? No.
That's the thing that's holding it directly to the engine.
Can you pass me a 14? With the power of friendship, I compel you!
And I'm very happy to say that we were able to bring the timing cover and this bracket back to stock, as it was not before. That would actually work out perfect. You just had the tool, or not. Could just hand me the
That
tool,
fucking
man.
hurt.
I remember using this thing before. That's my question. That was good.
You think the EGR gasket's good?
No. Shot.
Looks kind of shot.
All right. Cool. Timing cover and everything on that side is now put back together on my end. Cool. All right. What is next? Do you need help with something?
Taking off the
Did you take off that rubber bracket?
This looks like it's broken.
What? We have a new one. We have an entire new throttle body, remember? So,
Yeah, but like, look at this.
and no, the connector's fine. It's just the thing that's plugged into that's broken. But I don't want to touch that right now. I'm just trying to focus on getting this thing off. I'm trying to remember.
What the fuck is that?
Are we gonna take the throttle body off with the intake manifold?
Not these. Alex is correct, or maybe I honestly forgot that we had to remove the throttle body before we can take off the bell housing. Oh, not the bell housing, the intake manifold. So that's what Alex is going to do. He's doing bolts. Where those pliers at? That's a 16, I believe, or
Where's the 16?
for that bit.
Where's the 14?
We were just using it now. Nice. Oh, wow, it just popped right out. And this should as well. Very exquisite.
Nice.
Very well done. Wiring harness. Being a bitch. It'll be low key. Well, she's off, and now with that means we can take off this intake manifold and back. And those go the O-rings.
Garbage, right?
Yep. I have new ones. If you want to grab those.
Here you go.
Nice.
It's a 1,000,000-mile engine right here.
No, it's not. 200,000, 260,000 max.
97. So, should we compare valve covers from our old engine that has a new PVC?
Compare it if you want.
But I mean, it already has this new.
I think our new one's gonna be better.
All right, then let's switch over to shit then.
Julian, can you do me a favor?
Yeah.
Can you go through underneath here and remove the wires that are holding up the intake manifold?
Yeah. Give me 2 seconds.
In here.
Which ones?
The ones that are here.
Well, the ones that are there are probably being strained. So let's chill. Oh, motherfucker.
In the flathead.
Not sure if it's a lift up tab or pull tab, I can't tell. That one's pull from the bottom. We move. Finally.
Wow.
Blood. More work than it fucking needed to be, dude. Awesome. Cool. Now you remove a wiring harness.
In 4K at 60 frames per second.
Oil pan
Oil
gasket.
pan gasket, and we're working on the head and the intake manifold gasket. We're gonna do the exhaust manifold gasket.
When it's in the engine.
No, before.
But that means we have to put on the exhaust manifold before putting it in the engine. Bro, the exhaust manifold is one of the easiest things to install, and we also have to install the flex pipe anyways.
Okay.
So I think we should leave that for when the thing is in the engine.
Sure.
So, anything else before she's ready to go in?
You know?
All
Just
right.
get her done.
Perfect.
Once again, thank you guys for watching. I don't want these videos to be like absurdly long, so I'm just cutting them down as much as possible. I had over an hour's worth of unedited footage, and I don't want to completely bore you guys out. So thank you for watching. Make sure to like and sub, and I'll see you guys in the next one.